Hey guys, how's it going? Alex here from Digital Capital. Today we're going to be doing something totally new and be doing an initial coin offering or ICO review. At least, that's what I imagined when I started doing the research for this project. Unexpectedly, this project decided to cancel their ICO, but we're going to go ahead and still review it because they still have the intention to come to market. I think it's a pretty interesting tale as they currently stand at near $100 million valuation, with all of that value locked up because you can only exchange their coin privately. In this video, I'll be focusing on 5 key factors that I think are critical when thinking about a new project or upcoming ICO and its potential success. The product market fit, tokenomics, the team, investors and advisors, current progress, and the development timeline. I'm excited to dive deeper into each of these categories and expand on the course of events that led to GEMS canceling their ICO. So without further ado, let's introduce the project we'll be reviewing today, the GEMS platform. Let's first examine what is the GEMS platform. GEMS bills itself as a platform creating a microtask marketplace where requesters can offer incentives in the form of GEMS tokens to miners who complete the tasks and receive compensation for their work. Microtasks are small tasks that require human judgment. Think tagging objects in satellite imagery, or cleaning up data by removing duplicate entries, or verifying item details. Current platforms servicing this industry are Amazon's Mechanical Turk and Figure 8. This is already a multi-billion-dollar space, and I genuinely feel the entire industry will see tremendous growth as AI and data-driven technologies continue to integrate into our social fabric. Specifically, blockchain in this space offers a lot of positive economic synergies. Blockchain has an unrivaled opportunity to bring financial services to millions of unbanked around the world. These new economy entrants are potential workers to perform the microtasks on the GEMS platform. The GEMS token is a multi-utility token that fuels the GEMS protocol, similar to what Ethereum is to the Ethereum protocol. Also, akin to Ethereum, the GEMS protocol will be an open platform where developers create dApps or decentralized applications on top of the GEMS protocol. The first of which being the GEMS network, focused on creating the microtask marketplace. Within the GEMS network, GEMS tokens are used by requesters as a reward to miners who complete microtasks. There are some novel token mechanics that GEMS uses to both improve the quality and accuracy of work while also providing stability to the token's value. The GEMS network has both requesters and miners stake their GEMS, similar to putting them into escrow. This is in order to prevent malicious actors on both sides. Requesters are incentivized to pay for accurate work, while miners are incentivized to recover their escrow funds via the timely completion of a contracted task. Rory and Kieran O'Reilly are brothers who attended Harvard University together. Rory studied psychology and economics, while Kieran has a computer science background. They left Harvard together in 2014 to start Gifts.com, their prior venture to GEMS. They are both purported to be Forbes 30 Under 30 as well as Teal Fellows, both very prestigious accolades. Unfortunately, GEMS does not actively advertise the size or scope of their development team and current progress. I couldn't find a link to their GitHub on their website, leading me to believe that any funds that they do raise are going towards building out their technical team. The sterling paper credentials of Rory and Kieran are enough to create a buzz around the project and get eyeballs looking at GEMS. But will this translate into a vibrant marketplace of requesters and completers of microtasks is a question for any investor to decide. The GEMS advisory board is filled with long-standing cryptocurrency stalwarts, as well as individuals from major tech company household names, including Facebook, Medium, Twitter, and Neo Global Capital. Unfortunately, like the engineering team, the investment status is opaque as well, Gems has completed a seed and pre-sale round to investors, but have not publicized who participated or how much was raised in these rounds. Unverified reports has Gems selling tokens for 7.5 cents, raising a total of $60 million. Again, the development and timeline for Gems, the team leaves the prospective investor and enthusiast wanting. There's no substantive status on the development of the project, leaving one to wonder if Gems' current appeal is hype and theory. However, they do have an alpha you can sign up for, which would be more impressive if it were an operating platform with microtasks being completed. Now this is where the Gems story starts to get a bit interesting. There was a public scheduled ICO for January 30th, 2018. This followed the $60 million private presale. However, before the date arrived, Gems decided to postpone their ICO to a to-be-determined date in the future. Then, because of community backlash, Gems decided to now airdrop remaining tokens instead of having a public ICO. So Gems is no longer an upcoming ICO, but rather an upcoming airdrop? Oh, and let's not forget that this is actually an existing coin as we speak with nearly $100 million valuation, with all of it being illiquid. Obviously, Gems will be looking to get listed on an exchange in the future to give liquidity to early investors. However, there are some difficulties that Gems will have to navigate before they're able to do this. Gems faces adversity from a legal battle with Gem, the enterprise blockchain company. Gem alleges that the current Gems team knew of their branding and existence since 2014, and even tried to sell the gems.org domain to Gem. I'd love to know what you guys think of Gems in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.